Ruto felt that it is good that we start the program of planting trees. That is 15 million, whereby if we translate to each one of us 30 trees for each one of us in a year, could do, and then 300 trees for each individual for the next 10 years. That is from the start of 2022 to 2032. So the target will be 15 billion. And this is done across all the counties, the 47 counties, and the Kisii being one of them. And since we are hosting the Kenya Secondary School Sports Association this year, we started with this in terms as a matter of welcoming everybody. So I urge everybody, not only that we are doing this in Kisii School and that is all, it is our individual responsibility that all of us take the initiative of planting trees so that we can be able to reduce our greenhouse emissions, to reduce forest degradation. And remember, when we look at our country, around 5.1 million hectares have been degraded, and therefore our aim is to be able to restore the degraded land. So it is everybody's responsibility to ensure that we plant trees and be able to take care of them, not only planting but also nurture them to maturity so that they can be of use to us.